In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively research and import products from Temu to your Shopify store to enhance your e-commerce business. Whether you're a seasoned online merchant or just starting, this guide will take you through the process with ease and provide helpful insights along the way. First, let's begin with exploring Temu.com. It's crucial to find products that align well with the niche of your Shopify store. As you browse through Temu's vast array of offerings, focus on selecting products that not only fit your store's theme, but also have the potential to attract your target market. Once you have a list of potential products, meticulously check their prices to ensure they fall within a profitable range. Pay attention to the shipping times associated with these products, as faster shipping can significantly improve customer satisfaction. Additionally, delve into customer reviews to gauge the overall quality and consumer experience. The reviews can offer a deeper understanding of any potential issues or advantages each product might have, guiding you in making informed decisions about which products to select. Once you identify promising items, be sure to save the links and high-quality images for quick and easy reference later in the process. Now let's transition to setting up your Shopify store. If you haven't already, sign into your Shopify admin. This is where you'll begin creating the foundation for your store. Start by selecting a theme that resonates with your brand's aesthetic and enhances user experience. A visually appealing and intuitive design can leave a lasting impression on your visitors. Following this, set up your payment gateways to ensure seamless transactions for your customers. Depending on your target market, consider integrating multiple payment options to accommodate various preferences. It's equally important to establish transparent and straightforward, detailing costs and approximate delivery times. This builds trust with potential buyers and reduces potential confusion or cart abandonment. As you fine-tune these elements, always aim for a professional appearance that reflects your brand identity throughout your site. Finally, it's time to import those Temu products to your Shopify store. As Temu does not seamlessly integrate with Shopify, this step necessitates a bit of manual work, or you can opt for a third-party app to assist with the process. For a manual upload, head over to your Shopify admin, navigate to Products, and select Add Product. Start by copying the product title and description directly from Temu. Ensure that these descriptions are thorough yet concise, and sell the product effectively. Next, upload the images you previously saved. When setting your price, don't forget to account for your desired profit margin and any shipping costs you might incur. If the product comes in different variations, like sizes or colors, make sure to add these options to provide your customers with their desired choices. Once you are satisfied with all the details, go ahead and save the product. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to integrate new products from Temu into your Shopify store efficiently. Happy selling, and here's to growing your e-commerce empire with high demand and profitable products.